Hi everyone, today we're going to be going through the truths and the myths of botulinum toxin and its uses in medical aesthetics. So I really hope you enjoy our vlog today. My name's Dr. Bawa.
Hi, I'm Dr. Russel.
And we're the cosmetic doctors at Time Clinic Medical Aesthetics and Wellness.
So could you tell us a bit of background about botulinum toxin?
Yeah, absolutely. So originally this was found in a bacteria that produced the toxin, and they found it in sausages many years ago. And what the scientists did very cleverly, they took that toxin, they purified it into a chemical, and they originally started using it for the eyes. So the clever ophthalmologists were using it for a squint to really improve vision. When the surgeons were using it for the eyes, they found that these crow's feet around here just got better. So then that led into the cosmetic sector. So really, this product has been used for many years. Nowadays, botulinum toxin is used all over the body for many medical treatments, as well as in the cosmetic sector. And we'll go through some of the truths and myths, as well as where we can use the treatment.
So some of the most popular areas of treatment, which some of you may know, is this frown area here. Especially to treat those Elevenses lines that people find quite problematic. Also the forehead across here, so we get those lines across here that can be a bit troublesome. And then the other most popular area is around the eyes, so getting rid of those crow's feet.
I forgot to do the frown.
That one, yeah.
Brilliant. Some of the other areas that we can
Yep.
use botulinum toxin for is this area here. So when some patients smile, we can see too much gum, and so relaxing the muscles that lift the lip up too high can produce a really nice aesthetic smile.
So another area is the bands in the neck. So it's a platysma muscle. As we get older, you can see those bands when you stretch your neck. So we can put some wrinkle treatment there, and that smooths out the neck and it gives a youthful appearance.
And as Dr. Russell said, the neck is a really important area because we focus a lot on the face, but many of us forget the neck. So really we're looking for a holistic approach, and that's a much more natural and harmonious result. So another area of concern that many of you may have is sweaty hands, feet and armpits. And we've got a number of patients that come in that take 4 shirts to work with them every day because they sweat so much, they've just got to change them through the day. And it's really a debilitating condition. And actually we can help with that. And it takes 1, maybe 2 treatments, and we can really reduce the amount of sweat for those patients. So if you are worried about something like that, please do come and see us. Other areas that we can treat are a downturned smile, a horizontal line across the chin or dimpling around the chin, as well as lifting of the brow.
You can also treat this area to help with another condition of grinding teeth and clenching your jaw. So we treat here and it helps with that as well.
A really pleasant side effect of this is slimming of the jawline.
Yep.
So we get a number of patients coming in that have quite a square jaw, particularly females, and we can just really nicely slim that jawline. A number of patients come in with vertical lines here, so we can say lipstick lines as an example, and so we can really relax those lines here in the clinic and provide a smoother effect to the upper lip. Myth number 1, is it sore? So many patients come in and ask whether these treatments are sore, and they're really comfortable treatments. Most patients leave without any mark at all, and they go straight back to work or any activity that they were doing. So it's a very comfortable treatment.
Myth number 2, will it give me a frozen, expressionless look? When we give these wrinkle relaxing treatments, we are careful to start with a low dose so we don't over treat the area.
So a nice thing about how we treat you guys is we start very low, as Dr. Russell said, and that gives us the chance to slowly add and get the treatment dose correct for you. And something that we specialize in is very natural results. So Pretty much all of our patients will go out and you'll never know they've had treatment. They just look refreshed and the best version of themselves, and that's something that we're really proud of. Myth number 3. So if you stop, will the wrinkles get worse? And definitely that is not true. So what we're doing is we're relaxing the wrinkles. So over time, any permanent wrinkles that may be there, they will ease. So let's say if you had treatment for 2 years, for example, when you stop, your skin will be in a better condition than when you first started. So what you're doing is you're positively aging and really slowing down that aging process.
Myth number 4. Are wrinkle relaxing treatments and dermal fillers the same thing? No, they're completely different treatments. The wrinkle relaxing treatment will smooth lines in the areas that we discussed, and the dermal filler is more for volume and sculpting.
I suppose the important thing is what's the problem behind the concern. So let's say if a patient came in with these lines, the problem or the thing that's causing those lines is the muscles lifting up too much.
Yeah.
So we would relax the muscles, whereas let's say for example there are jowls, that's normally caused by volume loss of the fat pads under the skin or bone loss. So we would use something like a dermal filler to replace the fat in the bone, which will lift up, helping those lines there. So it really depends on your concern, but essentially they're not the same thing. So myth number 5. So many people get worried that once treated with botulinum toxin, it will never leave the body. Well, that's definitely not true. What happens is the treatment is given and then the product is taken into the muscle within about 20 to 30 minutes. Then what happens is the botulinum toxin blocks the signal from the brain to the muscle, and so the muscle relaxes a little bit. It's not as strong as it normally is. So the botulinum toxin gets metabolized, taken up into the muscle, has its effect, and then that's it. So there's nothing left there to be left in the body.
Myth number 6. Will I get addicted to anti-wrinkle treatments? The answer is no. We won't let that happen, and we will guide you in terms of the number of treatments that you need. We usually recommend having treatments every 3 to 4 months, and we'll ensure that you have nice natural results that you can be happy with.
Myth number 7. Will it erase all of my wrinkles? Well, the answer is no, because when we treat you with a lower dose, we'd like you to have a relaxed look. So still some movement, so you can still be angry at people when you need to be, and they will create some of the wrinkles. Some of our patients who have permanent wrinkles, I always say that we can't completely get rid of them. And it's very difficult to, and so we soften them as opposed to completely get rid of them, because we want people to think that you've got a naturally refreshed appearance rather than you've had treatment.
Myth number 8. Is botulinum toxin permanent? The answer is no. The muscle regains its strength every 3 to 4 months and it will require treatment again around that point.
Myth number 9. Only women can have botulinum toxin treatment. That's definitely a myth, because we can treat anybody with botulinum toxin. We all are concerned with some of these lines and we all want to look our best. So, yep, this treatment is for everybody.
Myth number 10. Will you see botulinum toxin results immediately? Unfortunately not. It will take about 4 days to 2 weeks before you see your end result. And we'll see you back here in 2 weeks' time to check if you need any adjustments.
That's it for today. I hope we've answered some of your questions on botulinum toxin. If you haven't seen our vlog on dermal filler, please do click here and there'll be lots more information for you. Alternatively, please do go onto our website and there's lots and lots of information on botulinum toxin and all of the treatments we do, as well as some of the concerns that you may have. You can log on to www.time-clinic.com. Also, please do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles are the same. The address is @TimeClinicOfficial. There you can see some of our before and afters and some of our in-clinic treatments being done. So thank you so much. Please stay tuned next time for our vlog where we'll be discussing Profilo. Thank you very much, guys.
Bye.